Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with micro accounts. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. A micro Forex account can be very useful even if you have enough trading capital for a standard account. It is much easier to implement conservative position sizing techniques with micro lots. Some trading strategies require simultaneous creation of tens of market positions. In this case, micro lots will definitely help to size and scale the positions adequately. Additionally, an option to open a micro account with a Forex broker can turn out to be useful if you would like to test its execution, and these accounts can be used without risking too much capital. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best Forex brokers with micro accounts can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with micro accounts. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have City Index. City Index is a spread betting CFD and Forex trading broker, which is regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority. City Index offers traders the ability to trade on over 12,000 instruments, covering indices, shares, Forex, cryptos, and commodities. Featured platforms are available on City Index's web and mobile trader platforms, as well as the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Demo, Personal, Premium, Professional, Self-Managed Super Fund accounts, Corporate accounts, Partnership accounts, as well as individual and joint accounts, with competitive pricing, access to educational materials, negative balance protection, 24-hour trading support, and more. City Index also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into introductions to the financial markets, technical analysis, a variety of helpful educational videos, guides in risk management, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for any additional educational material with City Index. At number 4 on our list is LiteFinance. LiteFinance is a CYSEC regulated ECN Forex broker that was founded in 2005. The company was originally incorporated under the name LiteForex. However, in 2021, it was rebranded to LiteFinance with the expansion of its product offering. LiteFinance offers more than 50 major and minor currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips on the ECN account. They also offer a wide range of stocks from leading exchanges such as Euronext, Nasdaq, the New York Stock Exchange, as well as oil and metal trading. LiteFinance's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader trading platforms, which are available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. The MetaTrader platforms offer a high level of customizability and security, and are also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. Their accounts on offer feature an ECN account and a Classic account. Both accounts can be opened by depositing $50, and a maximum leverage of 1 to 500 is allowed. You will also be able to use both accounts for social trading, and these are market execution accounts, that can be used on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms. LiteFinance also provides beginners Forex books written by professionals, a Forex glossary you can use to learn the basic terminology and concepts about Forex trading, guides on trading strategies, reviews, and live webinars. They also provide technical and fundamental analysis notes, along with analytical material from Claw and Horns, updated currency rates, quote charts, and economic news updates for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational content with LiteFinance. Coming in at number 3, we have IQ Option. IQ Option, a broker developed under the IQ Option Europe company, was founded in 2013, contains a CY/SEC license, with permission to provide its financial services within the European Economic Area Zone, with several other licenses from other EU local jurisdictions. IQ Option specializes and offers services in binary options, stocks, shares, currencies, and ETF trading. Featured platform is available on IQ Option's Ultimate Investment Platform, which is supported on iOS, Windows, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on Demo, Standard, and VIP accounts with lower minimum deposits, over 90 different types of underlying assets, 24/7 customer support services, access to their free mobile application, and more. IQ Option also allows traders to take part in their monthly online trading tournaments, which is an added bonus if you are feeling competitive. IQ Option also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a variety of trading tutorial videos, news, analytics, their very own trading blog and research center, and more, if you are looking to expand your education with IQ Option. At number 2 on our list is InstaForex. InstaForex is a leading online CY/SEC regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2007. InstaForex is a global broker specializing in services and trading through Forex, shares, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and futures. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the InstaTick Trader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. InstaForex provides 2 main types of trading accounts, the Insta Standard account and the Insta Eureka account. There are 2 Cent accounts, and these accounts offer an easy, risk-free way for new traders to learn how to trade and how to use the platforms. These Cent accounts were also designed for traders who would like to test new strategies in a live market environment with real trades, but without the higher risks of larger deposits. InstaForex offers an entire dedicated section of the website to providing webinars, platform and trading tutorials, trading guides, and much more. Their training courses are designed specifically for beginners and first-time traders, and this course will help you understand technical and fundamental analysis, how to make forecasts of price changes, how to use MetaTrader 4, and how to trade. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with micro accounts, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that is authorized by the Financial Services Authority, or FSA, of Seychelles, and was founded in 2008. Exness specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts, with low minimum deposits, lower spreads, an unlimited number of positions, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and offers over 105 different market instruments to trade, including over 103 currency pairs. Exness also provides their very own Trading Academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to sign up to if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Exness. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with micro accounts on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.